today we're gonna transfer photos on a plate. Okay, let's get started. Transfer the paper. I got here, I printed this photo, the elephant, on my printer, just like this. And what I'm gonna do is, I have Mod Podge here. Gonna glue on my paper all over it with Mod Podge. The paper is very wet with Mod Podge. What I'm gonna do is gonna turn it face down where I put my paper on my plate, and I'm gonna let it dry almost a day, so 24 hours, let it dry. If you want perfect resolution, perfect, let it dry for longer it dries, how beautiful the end result will be. Don't get hasted. When you get hasted, it will turn very bad, and you wanna do it again. And what I'm gonna say is, you can do this for yourself, or you're gonna give it to someone who loves, just like a gift. It's very easy. You can do it also with children. I did it on plates. You can also do on wood or on a book cover. Make sure there is no bubbles under your, just scrub it very, the bubbles out of your paper and the side walls, because you want your picture very smooth on your plate. Right now, about 24 hours. I get a little bit wet with it off. I'm gonna peel it off now. First we wet it. You will see the image. You peel it off with your fingers. So what we're going to do is we peel the paper off. What we do is we seal it off, and we give a matte look. This is matte. You can also buy a glossy one. Gives a little bit shimmer on your plate. It is wet now, it sees a little bit gluey. When it is dry, you will see nothing about the pot much. It will stay matte, not glossy, because that is. Okay, I will do this off camera and I'll be back. Give us some pot much on it and we're gonna dry it. What we're gonna do is I heated my heat gun, and I will glue this. I have also here a lint. Give this lint with the glue downstairs on the back here, and it will be the hanging system, and it will hang on my wall with this picture. Now is I glued it. This is what we're going to do next on my plate with the glue gun, just like this, and we're waiting for the. This is the end product. You can see it is dry now, and we did stuck here with the glue gun stuck. We're gonna hang this up on my wall now. We'll hang so. Okay, and I enjoyed this to make it, and I see you in the next videos. And don't forget to subscribe downstairs, and see you next time. Bye.